The Turkish President, Recep Tayyip Erdoğan, has been working in a series of original initiatives, such as Doha Governor Tamim bin Hamad and the Iran Malali, led by Ali Khamenei. The three agreed to destroy the rest of the Arab states, hoping to expand Turkish feast and restoration of the Ottoman caliphate again. In Syria, Erdogan is trying to gain a strategic area of influence in the north of the country, taking advantage of the years of war that Syria witnessed recently in the face of an advocacy organization. The ambitions of the Sultan of Erdogan continue in the border of Syria, but spread to Sudan, trying to compete with the Egyptian influence and the Saudi Arabian expansion in the contained by controlling the Sudanese island of Suakin in order to cite the key of the Arab national security. However, the Turkish presence in Sudan is not desirable, and the ruling authority in Khartoum today to expel Erdogan from the strategic island. In addition to the Sudan, Erdogan tried to bridge bridges with Ethiopia and contribute with the construction of a dam there, in order to tighten the screw of the Egyptian authorities, but failed there too, after Addis Ababa could not meet the needs of the construction of the dam on the financial level and construction by dam. In the Horn of Africa, in order to counter the success of the Emirati diplomacy in completing reconciliation between Eritrea and Ethiopia, Erdogan is trying through the investment paper to win a foothold in this strategic region, in addition to his military base in Somalia, but still faces many obstacles which prevent his expansion in the region.